How to fix unable to open link in Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix the issue of links not opening in Google Chrome. So let's dive in. First, you have to make sure that your app is updated. Go to your App Store and then you have to just simply search for Chrome. And then you have to just update the app if it's not updated. So here you can see I'm going to update my app. And once you update your app, you can click open and then you can search for the link and it's going to open. So we are going to wait for it to update. Now click open. And once you do so, now just type in any link over here. Like I'm going to just click across on this and now I'm going to search for www.google.com or youtube.com. Once you click, you can see now it has opened the link over here. And if you're still facing the problem, try deleting the app and then reinstalling it by going to the App Store. And that's how you fix the problem of links not opening on Google Chrome.